I'm just testing the Traders Companion Console version 2.82 with a new broker. This is PlexiTrade. They're an offshore broker actually, so not right suitable for everybody. But I'm just testing them out because they offer 2,000 to 1 leverage, so very highly leveraged. You do have to be careful, of course, but at the same time, you have the opportunity to compound your accounts much more easily. So this is a 2,000 to 1 account. We started off with $100 just a few days ago. It was $100 a few days ago, and I've been really careful. So let's see what I can do to compound this account. Obviously, this allows to compound any account. If we can do $100, there's no difference to doing the same thing with $1,000 or 10,000 or 100,000. So that's the aim, to see how far we get with $100 initially, testing the broker. And if we can get to 100%, we're already 22% up because of compounding. So profits are really, really quick. And you can see that, I mean, my trading was started only yesterday, 10th for the 10th. Only yesterday, we we're already 22% up. Whole bunch of trades. It's 11 today, so I've done some cold trades today. Should have held on a bit longer. And I'm going to put this also in my FX book. So right now, this is it. This is what it looks like. So you can, I've opened everything up so you can have a look on all the trades, all the history, and quite simply, it is the color change, which you can get as part of the subscription. So if you're a Patreon member of ours, you can use this and trade just likewise. So I'm gonna test this out and let's see how this goes. So any questions, do let me know. Thank you.